Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Devendra says there is no report of people from Myanmar encroaching on Manipur territory. Gaikhangam tells Assembly that police is probing the death of minor rape victim and Monlong Junior High School teacher. Nearly 7.5 lakh educated men and women are unemployed in Manipur. 25,329 sanctioned posts including grade A are lying vacant. And Class 10 examination, popularly known as metric examination, begins today. More than 30,000 students are appearing. And all shops in Thangal and Pauna Bazaar to remain closed from tomorrow in protest against no parking zone. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshubam Sangeeta with top stories and all the news we are tracking at this hour. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Devendra Singh today told the Assembly that there is no report of people from Myanmar having been encroached on Manipur territory and clearing of forest area. The minister was responding to MLA L. Ibomcha during the discussion on demand on environment and forest move by the Chief Minister. The House today passed 7 demands including medical, health and family welfare services, labor and employment, environment and forests, community and rural development, public health engineering, panchayat and horticulture and soil conservation. During discussion on public health and engineering department, Minister I. Hemochandra told the House that the government requires 1,800 to 2,000 crore rupees to ensure water supply to the people. Home Minister Gaikhangam today said in the Assembly that the police has initiated probe into the death of a 6-year-old rape victim in Chinikon under Bishnupur Police Station and the death of a teacher of Monlong Junior High School, T.S. Thongkogin Haukip, also known as T.S. Agin from Aimol Satukul under Teknopur Police Station in Chandel district. The minor victim, who was raped and brutally assaulted by the rapist who claimed to be a juvenile, died on the 28th of last month at RIMS. Gaikhangam told the House that regarding the treatment of the minor victim, there was no medical negligence. He said the police has arrested the accused, but being a juvenile, he has been kept in an observation home. The Home Minister told the House that a case has been registered at Teknopal Police Station in connection with the death of T.S. Thongkogin Haukip and police has started investigation into the case. He said enraged villagers have caused some damage in the village following the death of the teacher, and additional police force have been sent to the spot to ensure that no untoward incident occurs. The body of T.S. Thongkogin Haukip has been kept in Jennings morgue for post-mortem. It may be recalled that T.S. Thongkogin Haukip was beaten to death by suspected cadres of an underground outfit on Sunday. Manipur has nearly 7.5 lakh educated men and women who are unemployed and are seeking government jobs. Labour and Employment Minister I. Hemochandra today told the Manipur Legislative Assembly during question hour that 7,47,401 educated persons are registered with the Employment Exchange. Replying to opposition MLA K. Shyam, the minister informed the House that the number of unemployed male is 5,28,309, while the number of unemployed female is 2,19,092. He also said there were 25,329 sanctioned vacant posts, including grade A posts in the state. The minister said the posts will be refilled as and when the financial condition improves.
Service ki matang house kya discuss tawna dabni adu chumi ngasai honorable member na haibi du tasengna koi ngasai ningsing biram bai koi trip pay commission lakhiba hojik ti 7 pay bu la koi di resource am leisure state oiba koi ways and means yam waba state oiba koi the own resources later banina koi yamna drastic cuts sama the last 10 years or so koi exercise ma tawgibu da koi massive downsizing honorable member na ningsing biram gani koi sigi government sigi mamang dagi for the last 10 years or so austerity measures koi financial health yam phatadna madu gi tawni and we are slowly trying to as and when our resources are improving we are trying to also improve the situation.
Meanwhile, the residents of Thamiband have strongly condemned the closure of roads from Chingmairong to Thamiband Watham Lairak during the Manipur Assembly session. Locals of Thamiband Yumnam Lekai said school and college students face a lot of problems while going to their respective institutes. They said the situation is worse whenever there is any medical emergency. The people maintain that they have drawn the attention of the government regarding the matter. Speaking to Impact News, Thamiband Improvement Club Joint Secretary Nandaibam Saroj Kumar said the closure of roads have severely affected the normal life of the people. He appealed to all not to close the road during agitation.
Satra Satri Mayama Sida School Kariba Koliba, Tabak Satok Sachin, Yungi Todok, Torkomatam, the Karida Satok Sachin Hangato, the Yam problem over Haitara, Yarga, the government site again. Tangai for the agitation Gumaka Gomalebaki, Suda, Quay Station Gumasan Matamda, Adugumuda, Timbiba, Natana, Yaraga, the Lambiji free or Henbu, Sida Assembly, Sida Laiva, Security Mamzigi, Moige, Sanitary Latamina, Legalika, Yundong Gundong, the Sangamokoya, Manga, Soito, Wakopa, Manassim, Tauza, quite public to disturb to Wamo in a Masiam Noizade, Dona Yargadi, Tamiban Improvement Club, Space Pizza, Adona Gomena, Yargadi Makoyo, Sanitary Sabu.
Manipur People's Party MPP today welcomed the judgment of the High Court of Manipur declaring the election of Mairembam Prithviraj as the representative of Moirang Assembly constituency in the 2012 election as null and void. Justice N. Koteshwar yesterday announced in the court that the declaration of M. Prithviraj, a Congress candidate, as the representative of Moirang constituency by the presiding officer in 2012 is null and void for giving false election affidavit of his educational qualification. This is the first time a Manipur legislator's election has been declared null and void by a court. MPP today demanded the authorities concerned to recover the government privileges enjoyed by Prithviraj during his tenure as an MLA. Addressing media persons at MPP office, party president N. Sovakiran said the judgment of the High Court shows that people's representative cannot indulge in wrongdoings. He also condemned the murder of a primary school teacher in Chandel district who died after an assault by alleged NSCN IM cadre. He lambasted the state government for keeping quiet when designated camps are open across the state. Meanwhile, MPP legal cell advisor Y. Priyakumar also appealed to the government to recover the government privileges used by Prithviraj as an MLA. Priyakumar condemned the state government for keeping quiet on the Indo-Myanmar territory issue. Party Vice President M. Amutombi accused the state government of being corrupt and Congress leaders of shielding one another. He said it is time that the general public brought a change in the government.
Like so, it was like a Hachelaga Miang Mir. I don't know, assembly, Congress, no already can know, more privilege, more immunity. Me had to also Pabayadaba, Tika Toraga, Tabak shooters, Bill Topiaba, walk other Yaudan Tabak Shuyabagi, Congress key, Mihutsinga, Prazagamiam to Oleba.
Mana election Hekagi Bedegina, Narang Paubuda Pankiba, privilege Singado, Madu, recovery to you, and the team and put Prazamiam put the make up Topiro, Congress and Mutanamatosi.
2012 ta pangthokkiba election da aranba tawkibabu 16 February asumbudu phadokpa ngamdribase manungda ain sabha phamiba members indo madugi manungda corruption tawnare habani.
Laisemba Sanajauba today met human rights crusader Irom Chanu Sharmila a day after she was freed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West yesterday. Irom Chanu Sharmila is continuing her fast at Shahid Minar at BT Road, demanding removal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958. Sharmila warmly welcomed Laisemba Sanajauba at her protest site and discussed at length regarding the act. Sharmila appealed to Laisemba Sanajauba to request Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh to remove the Armed Forces Special Powers Act from the state. Speaking to Impact News, Laisemba Sanajauba said the fight of Irom Sharmila is not the fight of her alone. He appealed to all the people living in Hills and Valley to join the crusade of Irom Chanu Sharmila.
Kanna tawjaribase thawgi masi beyond the natraga within the laigani have a capacity a high ngamjadare adubu aina asa tawjaribase ning thawna hawti have a pungkham sita langla tingiduna habadi mera honjung go oiro ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯊꯧꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯦ ꯏꯆꯜ ꯁꯔꯃꯤꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯆꯪꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯛꯈꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯊꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯂꯧꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯊꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯝꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯐꯪꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯊꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯣ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯉꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯡꯉꯕꯗ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯁꯨꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯣꯛꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯟꯗꯅ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯏꯕꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯒꯅꯤ.
The Class 10 examination, popularly known as metric examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur KOSAM, began today across the state. More than 30,000 students appearing in the examination in 226 government school centers, 103 government-aided school centers and 457 private school centers. The examination will conclude on the 19th of this month. CCTV cameras are introduced for the first time to ensure fair conduct of the examination. The principal of Johnstone Higher Secondary School, W. Chaubadevi, expressed happiness at the installation of CCTV cameras in examination centers to prevent unfair means. Meanwhile, the Class 10 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur was held peacefully at the center in Moray Government Higher Secondary School. Out of 349 students, 347 students appeared in the examination. Cookie Students Organization kept a strict vigil during the exam in order to prevent unfair means. Desam and Apunba Iraibag Mahirol Sinpamluk have claimed that they came across students using unfair means in the BOSM Class 10 exam which began today. Desam and AIM seized Xerox copies of handwritten answers of today's English paper at Haidok Private Center, Kangabo Private Center, Wangjing and Kongjom Private Center. Desam Secretary General Namayapam Edison Maite appealed to the police personnel who are on duty at examination centers to extend cooperation to the student bodies.
Micro observer singna yamna ningthina examination se param chumna pangthoklibra haibadu khona observe to honingbagi apamba mahirup ani desamamdi aims ki maikai dagi phongdok chaninge param kaina examination pangthoklamba center sing khona Hairok Private Center, Khangabok Private Center, Kongjom Private Center amadi Wangjing Private Center si hena akhanaba mijeng changhaningbagi akhanaba mijeng changbinaba changhaningbagi apamba duma.
The Class 10 and Class 12 examination conducted by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE also began today. The exam for Class 10 will continue till March 28, while the Class 12 examination will conclude on the 22nd of April. Nearly 15 lakh students are appearing in the 10th examination and over 10.5 lakh in the Class 12 examination. Dr. Chingden Maisnam of Department of Economics, Manipur University, has held trust deficit among people responsible for the anxiety and discontentment which occur often among the people. He was speaking on the rise of fundamentalist forces at a public talk on nation at its discontents, free speech to repressive laws at Manipur University. The event was held as a mark of solidarity with JNU and freedom of dissent by the students. Speakers include Bablu Loitombam, Dr. Malem Ningthauja and Dr. Homen Thangjam. They spoke on various topics. Imphal Talkies Akhu Chinkapam presented his protest song. Students Union of Kangleipak has condemned the killing of teacher of Monlom Junior High School, T.S. Thongkhogen Haokip by NSC IM cadres. The student body in a press release condoled the death of the teacher and said it will extend support to Kuki Inpi, KSO and the people in their protests against the killing. The Aimol Tribe Union Manipur also condoles the death of Thongkhogen, a primary school teacher of Monlom village in Chandel district, condemning the allegation that Thongkhogen was killed by Aimol Satu villagers. The union termed the allegation as baseless. The union also requested to withdraw the allegation. Guru Tarun Kumar Samman 2016 was held today in memory of renowned Manipuri dance exponent Thiam Tarun Kumar. Guru Tarun Kumar Foundation Imphal hosted the event at Chorus Prefecture, Lamboi Khongnangkhong on Kangchup Road. Guru Tarun Kumar Award for the year 2016 was awarded to Khetremem Ongbi, Thaurani Sabi in Manipuri Ras and Yumlembam Gambhini Devi in Nat Sankirtan. Dances composed by Thiam Tarun Kumar were performed by the artists of the foundation. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute tha taruk ke oiba special job oriented course ama haujaragani hariba course asi tha ahum theory ni amadi internship tha ahum ni courses sing adudi level 1 certificate in front office operations, food and beverage service operations amadi housekeeping operation ni March ke tang 3 dagi class haujaragani hena akupa marol gidamak Classic Hospitality Training Institute Babina Diagnostic Building 3rd floor Rims Road to contact of you.
Ouch, I have lost myself again.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. All the shops in Thangal and Pauna Bazaar will remain closed tomorrow in protest against the government decision to make the roads in the two markets no parking zone. The decision to shut the shops was taken by the shopkeepers today. Committee on Bazaar Business Community of Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar said the stand will remain unchanged unless the cabinet reviews its decision. Speaking to media at Dharamshala, Thangal Bazaar, convener of the committee H. Badan Kumar said such hasty decision of the state government creates problems for the people. He said the decision of the government to control traffic volume in Pauna and Thangal Bazaar by making them no parking zone has badly affected the business in the two markets more than by bunds and blockades. He appealed to the government to review.
Ngasi bawta sarkar da response amta laktabana maram oirakanda hayeng mas ki tang ani ase bazar community na akoigi Pauna Bazaar amasung Thangal Bazaar na koliba jaga sing ase sinthale poina isa dukan sing ase shut down ai dukan thong lon ba ana ko lepchare tongan ba leiribi school mayam je disturbance kem ta piro lambi chathok chachen kem ta akai bi leiroi mamang da koi pi gi ba one way line ama khakta dum parking system thambi ba cabinet and logriba no parking have masi review e tawdribokti akoi di until and unless sigi khongjing sanction ban akoi lepnare.
The JSC of Laisham Ongbi Sophia has alleged that Sophia, wife of Laisham Thoiba from Thanga Hamaipan, was found hanging under suspicious circumstances on the 25th of last month. They urged the authority concerned to properly investigate the death and said her body will not be collected until the truth is known.
Yongsak tu sawi wang su wang mana mafam tu de kam haina kakhatorino adai mana kakhalam da su akhona khanjaba da di karing bas turun gumba ama putho e haraga hardi mana madagi thori langkhalaga thori du da yalaga stun do mana inthom babu orasu ama bu orasu tawgada bani khalle ba adu su amata leite ba adu gumbai kudam su phangde admaina su tawdi haibagi mong da su moina ulle changaga magi makhong gumba se khoi haida yengi magi laikhom leinang taiba su amta ude haiba yongsak makhong sidi laikhom khara leibadumna yamna makso sot ma laudраga su nong su gi bagi khara mafam do chotli habi asengba do puthoktriba makhai gi di khoina Sophia se lau khiroi haina khoina ware pe hauji je sina magi mana da yamba sana yaramde degi khudop yaramde matam sida mamang da mana harakhiba le ise sanasi matang da engon da magi family na sanasi piyo ya de haibagi khatna bai hauba yamna le aigi wakhanda di sana do piyo ya da bagi moina hatopi ba male.
Two incomplete septic tanks of Moray Hospital have become a breeding place for mosquitoes. The 50-bedded Moray Hospital was inaugurated on 28 January 2006 by the then Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Nandakumar Singh. During the time, the toilets of the hospital had no septic tank. Manipur Development Society MDS took up the task to build 2 septic tanks and they are yet to be completed. At present, 2 pits are dug up which have become breeding place for mosquitoes. Even the pipes coming from toilets of the hospital are broken, spreading foul smell in the entire hospital. The 9th Foundation Day of All Manipur Youth Protection Committee was celebrated today at Manipur Press Club. Resource persons spoke on the role of civil society organizations in the conflict situation on the occasion. Committee President Arjun Tenheba said the state is facing a serious situation under Armed Forces Special Powers Act and the lack of understanding between the hills and the valley. He said the civil society organizations have to play a big role to protect and preserve the state.
Nongmai muknam lebu kunai mada agoi hingi bani na agoi madu awama ku thenagani madu khudong cha da ku thenagani sum thengna lebu su yaroi agoi masi solution mo botok botai maramaduna asi agoi phong na tholokdana lauri ba khongi ba tawri ba singa sa miyam su khangbu chumi miyam nu masi share to bu chumi aduga leba ki lusing mane tholai bu sing sin jo problem singa se khangbu ki lolena solution puthona bo hona ba ko gi angle dagi political platform
NYDO presented food items to Mongsangai Old Age Home in connection with its 35th Foundation Day today. NYDO, located at Nagampan, Paunam Lekai, said the organization will continue to help others for the welfare of the society. Seja Eye Care Foundation, in collaboration with Innovative People Center and MUC, held a comprehensive eye camp at PHC Uchiwa Achobarerak on Monday. At least 188 patients were examined at the camp. 20 Assam Rifles provided essential food items to Mission Blind School, Haingang Popi in Chandel district yesterday. Assam Rifles continue to provide basic necessary assistance in the remote villages of Chandel district. Assam Rifles of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South provided purified drinking water to St. Joseph High School in Chandel district on 26th of February. The school was suffering due to lack of drinking water facilities. Sensing the requirement, 20 Assam Rifles provided drinking water to the school and villagers. School authorities, civil administration and parents of students expressed their gratitude to the Assam Rifles for providing purified water to the school. Thangmaiban Improvement Club along with Thangmaiban Yumnam Lekai Apunba Mairapai conducted a drive against liquor and other intoxicating substances in and around Thangmaiban Yumnam Lekai. During the drive, at least 100 liters of liquor were seized. Thangmaiban Improvement Club in a press release informed that the seized liquor were destroyed by burning. A team of Thawal police recovered stolen Mahindra Bolero and Maruti 800, but they could not arrest the culprits. The team, led by Thawal SDPO Shankar Dev, Lilong Police Station Officer in charge Bishorjit and SI Chauba recovered the stolen vehicles from Lilong Usoipokpi area yesterday evening around 5:30. The maroon-colored Mahindra Bolero with the registration number MN01W2877 was handed over to the owner after verification over a complaint registered at the city police.
Gari se Johnson mamangdagi mangin to gari se hoiti phange Lilong piece leirame yamna thagatsari nungaire haitare pele dumde sagoi sar wasi hoy de sar SDP hoy no khone bidana gaije phangan bibigi damta yam thagatsari.
A 60-year-old man has gone missing from the 21st of last month. Wife of the missing man, identified as Konjangbam Nimai of Langol Type 2, today told news persons Nimai is a driver and the family has searched for him. The family have also filed a missing report to the police on the 24th of last month and published a missing report in a local daily. Secretary Organization of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee in a press release said Vice President B. Angosana Sharma has resigned from the organization and any statement issued by him has nothing to do with the organization. Now some sports news. In the 32nd state level men's polo tournament, Eastern Students Club A, Nomebung Manipur Police Sports Club A and Manipur Police Sports Club C beat their rivals today. Eastern Students Club A, Nomebung defeated Manipur Police Sports Club B by 5-1. Manipur Police Sports Club A trounced Roop Kumar Polo Club by 9-3, while Manipur Police Sports Club C humiliated ex-Polo Club B Wanghai by 7-0. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Polo Association at Mapal Kangjebung. 20 polo teams are competing in the tournament. In football, in the third Oinam Charlie Memorial Open 5 A-side football tournament, Thales Yai School have entered into the quarterfinals. Thales Yai School trounced WFC Moirangkum by 4-0. Rupa Chandra scored 2 goals. Kanchan and Suresh Rai scored 1 goal each. In another match, TYDA Taubul defeated Bikas FC Singjamai Mayeng Lekai by 2-0. Dayananda and Kishan scored 2 goals each. 22 teams are participating in the tournament, which began from 14th of February at Aikoigi Club Singjamai Oinam Thingel ground. And in hockey, in the fourth 7A side Y Rashmani Memorial Invitational Hockey Tournament, ARC Shillong and BDHA Bishnupur won their respective matches today. In the first league match today, ARC Shillong defeated SUYC Uchikon by 10-3. In the second league match, BDHA Bishnupur defeated KHSC Khongman humiliated 16-0. The third league match between Seo Singjamai and YCCIC Kontha Ahlum ended in a draw as both the teams scored 1 goal each in the given time. The tournament is organized by YCCIC Kontha Ahlum under the aegis of Manipur Hockey. Manipur Swimming Association in a press note informs that state swimmers L. Nanil Singh and Jayanta Singh Salam will participate in the Indo-Sri Lanka Invitational Masters Swimming Meet to be held in Colombo from the 3rd of March till the 4th of March. The association wished the swimmers touring laurels for the country and the state. Model Club A, Chingamkha and Cyclone Thammaban defeated their rivals in the first state level Aribam Amutombi Sharma Memorial Color Dress Veteran Cricket Championship Trophy. Model Club A, Chingamkha defeated Dynamic Sporting Union Kwakathil by 97 runs. In another match, Cyclone Thammaban defeated Jem Khayampally by 8 wickets. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Devendra says there is no report of people from Myanmar encroaching on Manipur territory. Gaikhangam tells Assembly that police is probing the death of minor rape victim and Monlom Junior High School teacher. Nearly 7.5 lakh educated men and women are unemployed in Manipur. 25,329 sanctioned posts including grade A are lying vacant. Class 10 examination, popularly known as metric examination, begins. More than 30,000 students are appearing in the examination. And all shops in Thangal and Pauna Bazaar to remain closed tomorrow in protest against no parking zone.